Let's know some quick tips to help building confidence. Set achievable goals. Break down the larger goals into smaller ones or manageable tasks to achieve success. Practice positive self-talk. Replace your negative self-talk with the positive ones or affirmations. Focus on your strengths and emphasize your skills and accomplishments. Step out of your comfort zone and take calculated risks to challenge yourself. Learn from your failures. View your failures as opportunities for growth. Improve body language. Maintain good posture, make eye contact, and smile. Seek supportive relationships. Surround yourself with positive people or influences. Prepare thoroughly. Knowledge and preparation can boost your confidence in various areas of life. Focus on the present moment. Instead of worrying about your future or past, focus on what you can control in the present. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Develop a growth mindset. Believe that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work and dedication. Get enough sleep, as lack of sleep can negatively affect your confidence and self-esteem. Take care of your physical health. Regular exercise and balanced diet can improve your mood and energy levels. Public speaking. Practice in front of your friends, family, or a mirror, and you can join a public speaking group for support. Social situations. Start small. Engage in conversations and also focus on listening. New challenges. Break down the challenge into smaller steps and take one step at a time. From perfectionism to progress. Focus on making progress rather than achieving perfection. From comparison to self-improvement. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to others. From fear to curiosity. Accept challenges with curiosity and a willingness to learn. And the last but not the least, keep calm and believe in yourself. Practices like meditation and deep breathing can help calm nerves and increase confidence.